Today we're diving into Headscale, a self-hosted implementation of the Tailscale networking tool. It sounds convenient, but does it live up to the promise? Let's explore what it really offers and whether it's worth your time and resources. Headscale is designed to help you create your own secure private network using a concept similar to Tailscale. Essentially, it allows devices to connect over the internet as if they were on the same local network. The user experience is pretty straightforward, especially if you're familiar with networking basics. You set up a Headscale server, and from there you can manage your devices with relative ease. What stands out is the control it gives you. You're not relying on a third-party service, which can be appealing for privacy-conscious users. However, the documentation and community support feels somewhat limited, which could be a hurdle for those who aren't as tech-savvy. Also, while it's great for personal projects or small teams, larger organizations might find scalability issues that could make things complex down the line. On the upside, Headscale offers strong privacy features and the freedom to customize your network. It's particularly useful for developers or tech enthusiasts who want to experiment with networking without the constraints of commercial services. However, there are some concerns. The setup process can be daunting for beginners, and the lack of extensive documentation may leave users feeling lost. Plus, without a clear pricing model, since it's self-hosted, it's hard to gauge the total cost of ownership. For casual users looking for a plug-and-play solution, Headscale might not be the best fit. But for those who enjoy tinkering and need a secure networking solution, it could be a good option. In summary, Headscale is a solid choice for tech-savvy individuals wanting to take control of their networking. If you're not comfortable with self-hosting or troubleshooting, you might want to explore other alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out if you value privacy and customization, but proceed with caution if you're new to this kind of tech.